Fiduciary duty for St. Louis families. Hi, I'm Terry Peterson, certified probate expert, senior real estate specialist, and founder of St. Louis Family Resources. As a realtor and investor, I work with St. Louis families navigating the probate process. Today, I want to talk about something that often keeps new executors awake at night: your fiduciary duty. What does it actually mean, and what do you need to know to fulfill it properly? If you've been named as an executor, you've probably heard the term fiduciary duty and wondered if you're going to mess something up. Here's the truth: Missouri law expects you to act like a reasonable, prudent individual, not Superman. Let me break down exactly what that means. Asset protection. Your first responsibility is protecting the estate's assets. This isn't just about putting jewelry in a safe, though that's important too. You need to make sure insurance policies don't lapse, investments aren't handled recklessly, and valuable items are properly secured. If you're dealing with substantial assets, don't hesitate to work with professional investment managers. Remember, failing to protect assets can be considered a breach of your fiduciary responsibility. Critical deadlines. Estate tax filings have firm deadlines. And here's what most people don't realize: you could be personally liable for damages if you miss them. This includes annual property taxes, business license fees, insurance policy renewals. The calendar becomes your best friend during probate. Mark every deadline and set reminders well in advance. Staying within your authority. Before making decisions, make sure you have proper authorization. Don't sell the family home without proper authority if you're in probate. If the deceased operated a business, understand the complete ownership structure and any co-owner's rights before making substantial changes. When in doubt, ask the court or consult with your attorney. Fair distributions. Every heir must receive exactly what the will and Missouri law dictate. You cannot favor anyone, whether through obvious excess distributions or subtle disparities like skewed asset valuations. I've seen families torn apart when executors played favorites. Honesty and fairness aren't just ethical requirements, they're legal obligations. Record keeping. Document everything: every asset, every debt, every action you take. If challenges arise, comprehensive records protect both you and the estate. Even without problems, Missouri probate courts typically require detailed accounting. Consider using specialized software or working with professionals who can help you maintain these records properly. Consequences. While I can't provide legal advice, understand that fiduciary duty violations can result in substantial penalties, including fines and potential jail time. But remember, you're held to a standard of a reasonable, prudent individual, not Superman perfection. The key is acting thoughtfully and seeking help when you need it. Here's the bottom line: serving as an executor brings unique challenges that no one should face alone. Whether you're dealing with complex real estate decisions, investment questions, or simply need guidance on Missouri probate procedures, specialized professionals can provide the expertise you need while you maintain decision-making authority. The probate process demands more than good intentions. It requires understanding Missouri law, court timelines, and the family dynamics that influence every decision. Seeking professional guidance isn't a sign of weakness. It's exactly what a reasonable, prudent individual would do. If you're serving as an executor and need guidance on real estate matters within the St. Louis probate process, I'm here to help. My specialized training allows me to provide clarity when you need it most. Links to my resources are in the description below, and I'm always here to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't have to navigate this alone.